Just combine Coke with Super, and you're going to think maybe I stopped spending money. So guys, this is an amazing hack to make at home, and this is what you're going to do first. Get 1 bar of soap of your choice, and then go ahead and grate it all right into a pen. All right, let me do just that after this. Now, let's add 2½ cups of Coke. All right, let's put it here and then let's add 2 cups of water. You can use tap water for this at room temperature. Now, let's bring it to medium or low heat. Then you need to stir until all the soap dissolves. See this? When all the soap has melted, you can turn off the heat. And now we're going to add 5 ounces of water, along with 1 tablespoon of salt. Make sure to give it a good mix. Then go ahead and add it to the pen. Add little by little because you notice that this liquid will start to thicken. As soon as you add this and it starts stirring, it's going to change the consistency. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it already has a totally different consistency. Then just containers like these and transfer or mixture into them. If you prefer, you can just go ahead and put everything in a single large one. Then let's put on the lid and wait for them to set. If you guys want to speed up the process, you can also put in the fridge, but I don't think it's really necessary because this way they will already harden very quickly. So let's wait a moment, then I'll show you. So guys, after a couple minutes, this is how they look. It's very consistent. And this product we just made, it's an excellent metal cleaner and polisher. So using this, you can clean pans with the stains like these and the metal parts or objects or even jewelry. These things are very hard to remove, even with a steel wool. But this product will leave them shining as new. And to apply it, just take a little of the product with a sponge like this one. It doesn't even have to be much, just a small amount. Because, folks, this product is already quite powerful. Then just go ahead and scrub the bin as usual, having a scrubbing it a little. Look how we turn it out, folks. That's much better, right? It doesn't even look like the same pan, does it? Check. It comes off very easily. It's amazing. Now just wash it off, and there you have it. Your aluminum pans or any metal parts shiny again. In addition to cleaning it, it gives metal an incredible shine. So that was today's tip. If you have any metal objects that you like to clean, make this mixture. I'm sure it's going to help you a lot,